Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel, Nothing Made Easy. In this video, we are going to discuss about health and concepts of health, which comes under Unit 1, that is Introduction in Nursing Foundation subject. Before moving on to the topic, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. What is the definition of health? Health definition was given by WHO, that is World Health Organization, in the year 1947. So what is health? So WHO has given a very simple definition for health. So according to World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So health is not only the absence of disease or infirmity. Infirmity means what? Infirmity means sickness. So it is a state of complete physically you should be healthy, mentally you should be healthy, that is psychologically you should be healthy, as well as socially your functioning also should be healthy. So it doesn't mean if you are absent, if you are having if you are not having any disease or sickness, it doesn't mean you are healthy. You should be healthy in all aspects, that is physically, mentally and socially. So this is a very simple definition, very easy to study and to keep in mind. So next we will move on to concepts of health. So what is the concept of health? What are the various concepts of health? So an understanding of health is the basis of the healthcare. So you have to understand what is health. Then only you can give care to the patients. Okay, so health is individualized. Okay, it is unique. So even our five fingers are not similar. So you have different size, different shapes like that. So you have to think every individual is unique and each person will differ in their own health status. So health is not perceived the same way by all members of a community. Okay, some will be giving importance to physical health, some will be giving importance to psychological health, some will be giving importance to social health. So it doesn't mean if the person is physically healthy, you cannot tell that the person is not having any health issues. So psychologically he may be depressed. Okay, so you have to consider in that way. So the concept of health comes under four categories, main categories, that is biomedical concept, ecological concept and psychosocial concept as well as holistic concept. So what are the four concepts? Biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept and holistic concept. So when you are dealing with concept of health, you have to deal with this four concepts. So an understanding of the health is the basis of the healthcare. So health is not perceived by the same by all individuals or members of the community, as well as various professional groups also tells that health is such and such a way, like that. So various professional groups means members in the society with different groups, like medical group, that is biomedical group, scientist, social scientist, health administrators, ecologists. So like that you have so many groups in the community. Each will be perceiving health in a different aspect. So based on the aspects, four concepts of health has been derived, that is biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept and holistic concept. So moving on to biomedical concept. Traditionally, health has been considered as absence of disease. Okay, if someone is free from any disease, then he is said to be healthy. If you are not having any disease, you are healthy. Okay, so this concept is absence of disease means person is healthy. So this concept is taken from where? Germ theory of disease. Germ theory, what they are telling, for a disease any microorganism should be there to produce a disease. Either it can be bacteria, virus. So only microorganisms, pathological aspect they are dealing. Only microorganisms, germs are responsible for disease. Okay, so human body. So what they are telling in this concept, human body is a machine. Okay, so Disease means the machine is breaking, or if the machine is getting repaired, and the doctor is a person who is doing repair. Okay, human body is a machine. Disease which the machine is breaking and doctor is repairing it. So this concept is very very inadequate, because physically you may be healthy, but what happens psychologically, you may be depressed, and because of that you may commit some suicides like that and all. So what you have to think, it involves not only physical healthy, sometimes physically healthy, psychologically healthy, economically they are not healthy. Okay, so the again it is going to have a direct or indirect effect on the health status of the individual or person. So this concept is inadequate, because it is not involving other roles. It is telling only germs are responsible for disease. If the person is free from disease, he is healthy, but it is not considering other aspects like environmental factors, social factors, cultural factors, which are going to influence your health status. So this factors determining health I'll be posting in my next video. Okay, so this biomedical concept is inadequate. So it leads to other concepts like ecological concept. Many ecologists means who studies about the environment. So they viewed health as a dynamic equilibrium between man with his environment. Suppose if the man is well adjusted to his environment, he is considered to be healthy. Suppose if the man is not able to adapt or adjust to his environment, he is not healthy. Okay, so this is ecological concept. Next, moving on to psychosocial concept. So in psychosocial concept, advancement in social sciences like psychology, sociology. Okay, so this sociologist, this persons who are in that particular field had told that other factors like social, psychological, cultural, economical and political factors also has an direct or indirect effect on the health. Okay, so when measuring health, we have to consider all the above factors. What are the above factors? Social factors, psychological factors, cultural factors, economical factors, political factors, philosophical factors, everything you have to consider. Okay, so thus health is not only a biological phenomena, it is also a social phenomena or mental or psychological phenomena like that. Okay, next move on to the last concept, holistic concept. Holistic concept club all the above concepts what we have studied earlier, that is biological concept, psychosocial concept, ecological concept. When you club everything, you will be getting holistic concept. Always consider the person as a whole and give treatment. Don't treat separately. Physically don't treat separately, psychologically, because both mind and body are interrelated. If you are fever, your body is also, you psychological also, you will be having some pain or distress. Okay, when you are having some physical pain, psychologically you will be having some distress. Think a patient is identified as cancer, so more than his physical illness, psychologically he will be suffering a lot, thinking that he has a dreadful disease like that. Okay, so you have to consider all the dimensions of health, that is physical, psychological, social, economical, political and environmental factors, and how it is influencing the health status. So here the patient is considered as a whole. It focuses on the promotion and protection of health. It focuses on promotion as well as protection of health. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you still have any doubts, feel free to post your doubts in comment section. In my future videos, I'll be dealing with determinants and factors influencing health. Thank you friends. Hope this video, if you like it, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. Keep supporting.